birds those are, but those are awesome. And I want to make friends with them. This is Project Make Friends. It's so important to remember as you travel to pause and make friends. Like with this bird. I don't know why he's doing this, but the important thing is I learn his ways. And soon he invites me into his inner circle and introduces me to his friends. I learn to nod up and down. Why are we doing this? I have no idea, but that doesn't matter. The important thing is we're doing this together because that's what friendship is all about. We are friends. We just understand each other.